kamusta po kayo ulit? Welcome back to another vlog. It's already 8:02 and today is the day na first time namin tong gagawin. Matagal na kami nagta-travel dito sa sa Thailand. Never pa namin siyang na-experience. So we decided to book cooking class. So tatlo kami nila Papa Dib magluluto-luto. We will experience and learn how to cook Thai food. So ayun, excited ako. So, it's already 8:02. Ang pick-up time nila is around between 8:30 to 9 a.m. And yung cooking class will take, I think, 4 hours yung cooking class, sabi ni Papa Dave. So, we are excited. Ay. Ito pala yung outfit natin. Nakabili ako ng sandal. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog natin before this, pinakita ko sa inyo yung sandal na binili ko. And then, yung short natin. And then, yung ating patap. Yay! Comfy lang. Yan lang. Bababa lang kami. We are going to order some coffee. Drinks lang, no breakfast kasi we are going to have a lot of food. Kung si Papa Dip, sinara niya yung yung cortina. Are we coming back here or we're coming back, right?
I don't think so.
We don't? Okay. So, let me just turn off my computer kasi mga kalalabs. Nagtatry akong mag-upload ng vlog kaso nga lang I can't upload it kasi mahina yung internet dito. So, iwan ko na lang na ganito to. Tayo lang. Just gonna leave it here and hope for the best na ma-upload. I don't think I can upload this one, but let's see. Try natin yan. Iwan ko na lang siya dyan. Okay, let's go. Sampay mo doon, sa may sa may swimming pool. Isa-isa. Tapos na kami nag-coffee mga kalalab. Sinihintay na lang namin yung pick up namin. It's different? Yes. Cooking class. Oh, okay. Are they the same company?
Different company.
Oh, I see. Okay. Wait namin yung pick up namin. Alam niyo ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa sa Thailand, yung fresh flower nila. Hi. Ito tingnan niyo. O diba, ang ganda. Yung fresh flowers. And then, dito pa sa nila. Ayan, Everyday nila pinapalitan yan. Sobrang bango. It's beautiful.
One soup, one stir fry, and one curry. The sweet sticker with mango will be as team together.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, mamimili tayo ng ating lulutuin.
Ooh,
What are you
sticky rice
getting?
with mango.
Oh, I wanna learn that actually. The sweet
Wanna learn
sticky
that
rice. Khao soy. Yeah, I wanna learn that the khao soy as well.
We can learn each one.
How about the pad thai, Nicole? You wanna learn the pad thai?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Mamimili muna kami saglit, mga kalalabs.
You pick one?
Yeah, pick one.
Just one? Okay. Oh, okay. What do you want, Nicole? Sticky rice? You wanna learn that?
That's pretty easy though.
We should do the pork curry paste. You know why?
Okay. Let's.
Oh wait. Oh, I
What do
see.
you mean?
Oh, I see. I don't know
I'll
how
do
to
the
do
pad
this.
thai.
This is weird.
I'll do the
Okay, you do the pad
I don't
thai.
understand how to do it. Just choose one.
Just choose one.
This one is the fruit one. This is the fruit of the coffee. I will let you smell the fresh smell, everyone.
Oh, that's a lime.
Smell. Have
Yeah.
your lime.
That's a lime.
Very
This
powerful.
one, everyone, the yellow one, yellow we
very.
call kalanka or Thai ginger. This is kalanka, everyone. And this one, ginger.
Ginger.
Everyone, kalanka, we use just only thin slices in the soup, everyone, and in every curry paste. For more spicy taste. And this one, ginger for khao soy only. Khao
Oh.
soy curry paste, we use ginger with the curry powder, the yellow one. This one, for more hot taste. The last one for the curry, everyone, we use turmeric or turmeric. turmeric in every curry paste here, now for more color. Ah.
So, meron kaming 15 minutes na mag-ikot-ikot dito sa market and explore natin siya bago kami mag-start magluto. Wow! Looks good. Ito yung mga pagkain nila mga kalalabs. Oh my God, I love that one. Fresh na fresh. Fish, seafood. Wow. Looks good.
It's all Thais shopping here.
I know, this is a local market, mga kalalabs. Grabe. Grabe yung mga pagkain nila dito, oh. What's that, Nicole? Do you like that? That's the one they give us in our hotel, right? Let me know if you want something, okay? And we will try.
Durian paste.
Durian paste?
That's what I want.
Oh, no, I don't want
You
durian
just
paste.
promised.
Oh, do you want? You can try. Look at this one, Nicole, oh. Nick,
I like this one.
that's the pork floss. They don't have a small one? You should, oh no, this one here, oh. Small.
Alam mo, masarap yung chicharon nila dito.
Oo, ang sarap, no? Yeah. Look at this one, mga kalalabs, oh. And this is actually, this is the set for the cooking. Right? Wow, Nicole, look.
That's cedar fruit.
Wow, that's guava. That's good.
The mango's 30 pieces.
Yeah, mangoes. I think we should buy something, Nicole. Like, just choose which one you like, though.
I like these.
Ah,
on a stick.
sarap. Okay, let's see. And then they have a fresh, boiled na gulay.
These are some of my favorite.
Oh, that is, what do you call this, ma?
Catfish.
Catfish, yeah.
But look at
that's
this. I've never seen
Oh,
these
yeah,
before.
that's just,
one.
Yeah, I know. That's eggplant.
Yeah, I know, but look at how cool they are.
Yeah, they're like boiled. Namiss ko tuloy ang Pinas. Lagi ako sa palengke sa Pilipinas eh. Oh, do you wanna try that, Nicole? Okay. Tinatanong ko si
We're gonna be
Nicole.
eating so much of the thing.
I know, but I wanna try something here in this
Try
market.
that.
Yeah, try natin yung mga ba.
Look at bubble tea for 20 pesos instead of
Oh! Ang mura ng bubble tea nila, oh.
Look at that. You get cheese bubble. Look.
Look at that, the bubble tea is so, like 20 baht.
Ew.
20 baht lang.
Is that
Okay.
yummy?
Here,
No.
Nicole, let's go here. Ooh.
Look at that.
Ah, banana, Nicole. Sausages. Sausage. Nicole, oh, this is the, What? Okay. Sundan natin sila. Wow.
Remember the spam?
This is not spam. It's a pork. This is the one. But nasabi kong spam siya. Tingnan nyo yun. Oh.
I wanna eat.
We will eat a lot today. Oh, look at that chicharon, Nicole, oh. Ayan yung chicharon nila dito, mga kalalas. Wow. Do you wanna buy, Nicole? Bili nga ako ng isa. Isa pa ulit kasi masarap siya eh.
Sarap yung chicharon
Let's buy it?
dito. Oh, isa.
Hi, can we just get one, please? Yeah, thank you.
Oh, good.
Nandito na tayo kung saan tayo magluluto, mga kalalas. So, upo muna daw tayo. At ituturo nila kung ano yung dapat nilang ituro sa atin.
This one, we want rice noodle, no? Mommy chicken and baby chicken. This one. But for so 500 pesos, we have the rice noodle. We have the rice, nah? Okay, everyone right now, we will put the oil in. Everyone, today we use soya bean oil. It has soya bean oil.
Soya
But at
bean.
your home, you can use any kind of oil.
Okay.
Except, except
Oh,
olive oil.
okay.
That's why I want it, because it has strong smell and easy to burn. No? But today we use soya bean oil. Take 2 spoons, everyone, in the bowl, please.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah, 2 spoons.
Yeah.
Everybody did Thai Thai except me.
Boo!
Ah,
Such boo love.
Oh yeah, that is my favorite. That's my favorite.
okay. everyone right now. No? Minimum heat first. Everyone minimum heat. No? Let's try all the way now. 6 o'clock. Everyone 6 o'clock.
Okay. Minimum. I did my minimum. Minimum is just down here.
But here also.
Yeah, I think so, but there's a difference. Yeah. There.
Okay.
I think so. I don't know what's different, but there. Let's go down. Oh, you see? She went.
Everyone right now. Naka, everybody has the same. Everyone. Chicken in first. Everyone chicken in.
Chicken
Ah,
in.
Chicken.
Chicken. Thank you. Ooh.
Mom,
Next.
what kind of street card are you gonna be? Yeah.
Iron Chef. Okay.
Everyone pad thai. Everyone pad thai. Nah. This one. Everyone. Pad thai put 3 things in. Everyone. Tofu, shallots, and pickle radish. Please.
Okay.
Holy basil. Everything except the holy basil.
Okay.
Okay.
Why is it holy basil? Is it from the monk, the temple? Holy. It is. It's the blessed basil. This one too.
Yeah. Pad thai. Nah. Tofu. Everyone. Tofu. Pickle radish, and salad.
Yes.
Keep serving. Everyone keep serving first. No? Okay. Everyone right now. Everyone pad thai. Everyone crack the egg in. Ah, we have egg.
Oh, okay.
Everyone crack an egg in. Ah.
Crack the egg.
Yeah, crack the egg.
Crack the egg.
Okay. Everyone crack the egg like that and keep stirring. Everyone keep stirring.
Oh, it's done. Mine looks big.
Everyone pad thai. Everyone pad thai right now. Naka. Rice noodle. Everyone rice noodle and followed by the sauce, please.
Okay. Rice noodle in.
Rice noodle sauce. Everyone. Ah. Rice noodle and sauce in.
And the sauce in.
Same here.
There.
On the sauce.
Yeah, and the sauce. Yeah.
Everything.
Pad thai. After you pour the sauce, everyone, bean sprout and garlic chive in. Everything in.
Everything in. There you go.
Everyone pour the sauce.
There we
Now
have
bean
it.
sprout and garlic
Chicken
chive.
and basil. She's doing pad thai. I'm doing basil.
Wow, this look good.
Everyone right now. Maximum heat, please.
Maximum heat.
Maximum heat. Maximum heat. Look at that. Huh?
Basil.
Peanut sauce. I know, not peanut
We
sauce.
got the pad thai going on. There we go. Keep it up.
Yes.
The heat, please. Everyone off the heat.
Off the heat.
Off the heat, please.
Yes. Woo. There you go. Wow. Smells good.
Everyone right now นะคะ pour your pad thai everyone to this place เนาะ Holy basil in this set.
There you go.
Thank you for my breakfast everyone.
Thank you. There you go. Perfect.
Everyone pad
Pad
thai we have
Thai.
the peanut powder and chili powder for you.
Yeah, okay.
We bring to the eating table.
Yes.
Right now everyone next step.
Next
The
step.
eating.
Eating.
Hi everyone.
Kain. So, naluto namin kanina yung first soup. Coconut soup yung ano sa akin. Tapos, itong pad thai. Let's try. Let's try. Oh my gosh, excited. Huh? Look at that. Do you want to try my pad thai, love?
Want to try my chicken basil?
Sure. Okay. Let's try.
Everyone spoon นะคะ spoon chopstick and fork the one in the box in front of you นะคะ we have a big box in front of you เนาะ and this one peanut powder and chili powder นะคะ you sprinkle on top and pass it down please.
Okay.
Everyone enjoy your meal, enjoy eating.
Thank you. Soup. Chicken soup. This looks good. What do you mean? We have the same. Do you want to try this one? Huh? Oh, looking good. Kain mga kalalabs. Oh, I made it spicy. Ooh, that's a good one. You want a peanut with this one?
Oh, yeah.
Gusto yung itry ni Papa Dave yung ano, pad thai.
Oh, let's go. Oh, you got a peanut? She got a peanut.
What?
Spicy. What'd you cook again? There's
Yeah, it's kind of, no coconut base, it's water base. As is coconut base.
Where's the spoon?
Wow,
no chilies for me.
this is good. Yung pork mo, Bi, oh. Oh, shit.
Peanuts. Okay.
Oh, peanut. Have more peanuts? Okay, try natin yung ating pad thai. Try natin yung pad thai. Let's try the pad thai. Meron pa kaming isang ano lulutuin. What's the next one is khao soy. Yeah. Are you gonna make the khao soy as well?
You too?
Yeah. It's good. Khao soy time.
Human.
And inside the mortar,
Scratch my back.
inside the mortar,
Scratch my
we
back.
have the red chili in, except the green.
Let me scratch my back.
Red chili, dry chili.
Down, back, middle.
No, we have hot water. Middle spicy. Have color. And for cow soy, everyone cow soy we have ginger and curry powder. Not ginger and curry powder. No? And for red curry, just only the red chili. No special.
Whoa, that's curry. Yeah, put everything.
And like this, everyone.
Turn. Oops, the paper. Good. And smash,
I'm
smash.
waiting for them to. Are we allowed to smash?
Smash.
Okay.
Smash it, baby.
Smash it up.
This one, everyone, move your mortar, everyone, to the corner of the table. No? Use one hand, everyone, cover it. One hand, smash like this.
Round and round. And make it into a.
Face.
That'd be like a Thai grandma.
Thai grandma. Oh shit.
Everyone stronger.
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 Curry paste, everyone. Put the curry paste and chicken in, everyone. Curry paste and chicken. Curry paste and chicken.
Coconut. There we go again. Let's make some cow soy. Oh, nice. Right?
Everyone, green curry, red curry นะคะ you have the fresh ingredient. Everyone, put the fresh ingredient in the wok, please.
We don't have the fresh ingredients.
ข้าวซอยเนาะข้าวซอย keep stirring นะคะ keep stirring first นะ
You want to keep that top fire in the north, right?
Everyone, everyone right now, everyone put the rest of the coconut milk in. Everyone, all of the cup นะคะ
Coconut.
Yeah. Keep stirring, everyone. Keep stirring. Not still use maximum heat, everyone. Let it boil.
Here's 1 fish sauce.
I didn't know fish was sauce. Fish is the only animal that can be sauce.
1 sugar.
Holy basil.
1 fish sauce, 1 sugar, everyone. And keep stirring a little bit นะคะข้าวซอยนะ pour your soup into the bowl นะคะ use everything not on top นะคะ use everything on top. Yeah, you want more, right? Yes.
That's your cow soy, baby. Cow soy. There. Si Papa Dave ang ano namin, master
4
chef.
spoon sugar, please.
4 spoon, gumagawa kami ng ano, sticky rice.
4 spoon sticky rice. Now we make the taste balance. We put the sugar in. Sorry, the salt.
Oh, salt.
Salt and sugar. Everyone for the salt, just take a quarter spoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Salt.
And right now, Master Chef.
Master
turn
chef.
on the heat, please.
Master chef.
The color, don't worry.
I'll do the master chef.
Do. With
He
the-
gave up.
Yeah.
He gave up.
Oh, there you go.
Our master chef gave up.
Slowly,
Yung mga kasama namin dito. Nakakahiyang mag-vlog-vlog kasi baka mamayaan. Kaya hindi ko sila kinukuhanan. Let's eat the cow soy.
Cow soy you can eat with the noodles. But for green and red curry, eat with the rice.
Okay, thank
Everyone
you.
enjoy eating. If you serve sweet sticky rabbit mango, enjoy it.
Let's try the cow soy. Cow soy, cow soy, cow soy.
You could smell the noodle, you could smell the rice like straight away when it started. It smells so good.
How's it, love?
You can make this at home easy.
Oh, do you need rice?
Yeah.
Yes, need rice. Rice.
You're not having rice with your.
No, I have this one. It's noodles. What do you want? How's it, love? Pamassage muna tayo mga kalabs after ng cooking class. Kaming dalawa lang ni Nicole. Si Papa Dib na iwan sa hotel. So, dito tayo magpapamassage. Sensabay. And ito yung kanilang prices. So, 500 baht. Merong pang mas mura. Pero ito yung pinili namin kasi I think this one is good. So, depende kung ilang oras nyo gusto. Meron silang 2 hours. Meron silang ito yung 2,200 pa, 3 hours siya. Isang oras lang, sapat na sa amin ni Nicole. Ma-relax lang yung katawan na. Masakit yung likod ko eh. So, ayan. I think we're ready. I love the smell of the lemon though.
It's light.
Lime, sorry, lime. Wow, ang ganda nitong spa na to mga kalalabs. Ang linis. So, ipa-follow lang namin siya. Oh, sa taas tayo.
And for Thai massage, we have for us. For are you okay?
Yeah, sure. Linis dito. Massage time. Isang oras to. Sayang wala si Papa Dib. Ayaw niya kasing maano yung shoulder niya. Kaya sabi niya, go ahead. Huwag niyo na akong intindihin, sabi niya. So, ayun, hintayin na lang namin yung magmamassage sa amin. How are you, Nicole?
Good.
Okay. See you after 1 hour, mga kalalabs. How is it, Nicole?
Good.
We want more, mga kalalabs. It's so relaxing. It's so nice. Okay, balik na kami sa sa hotel. So, after ng massage, meron silang pati, and then, pa-snack. Yan. Wow. That's a nice tea. Hotel na kami, mga kalalabs. Si Nicole, sabi niya, gusto ko pa ng massage. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Parang nawala yung sakit ng likod ko. Na-stretch ng bongga yung legs at saka yung likod ko, at saka yung mga braso ko. Dito. Kasi masasakit kanina. Pero parang nawala. Magic. Try natin tong binili naming chicharon sa market kanina. And by the way pala mga kalalabs, yung namin, yung cooking class namin, natapos siya ng I think almost more than 3 hours. Kasi nag-ikot-ikot kami dun sa market, and then after that, pumunta kami dun sa kung saan ginanap yung cooking class. And then of course explain yung mga anik-anik ng mga ingredients, ganyan. Na-enjoy naman namin siya. Hindi ako masyado makapag-vlog kasi syempre ayaw mo naman na itutok yung mga camera natin sa mga mga kasama namin sa cooking class. 'Di ba? Baka mamaya anong sabihin nila. But nakapag-vlog naman ako ng slide. And ang binayad pala namin doon mga kalalab sa cooking class, 3 kami, is 2,700 baht. Meron na siyang kasamang 4 dish kasi hindi ko na vlog yung dessert, yung mango sticky rice. Ang naluto namin is 3 dish. So may soup, tapos may noodles, and then meron ulit na soup, yung huli, yung kausoy. Masarap naman siya. At least alam na natin kung paano lutuin yung mga simple dish ng Thai dish, di ba? So try natin tong chicharon. Yung binili namin kahapon na chicharon, naubos namin kaagad kasi masarap siya. Kakaiba yung chicharon nila dito eh. Masarap sana to kung may sausawan. Ayan, kain po. Wala na kaming ginawa dito sa Thailand, kundi kumain, gumala. Yun yung vacation naman talaga, kumain, gumala. Sana mag-stay tayo dito sa room. Sayang yung araw. Pero na-enjoy namin tong accommodation namin dito sa the inside house. Sobrang ganda, sobrang good yung service. Yung presentation ng bawat food nila, from breakfast to yung tea party namin is really Amazing. Na-enjoy namin siya. And then, meron pa silang pa-refill ng mga, may mga pa-refill pa dito mga kalabs ng prutas, at saka mga, mga snack-snack. Every time na lalabas kami, pagbalik namin, meron kaming refill na mga dessert na kung ano-ano. Sabi namin, ay, ang galing. Di ba? Nakaka-amaze lang. That's why we love Thailand. Kasi, sulit yung pera mo dito. Meron yung mga bagay na gagawin mo na mahal, pero hindi ka magsisisi kasi alam mo yun, yung value ng binayad mo is like hindi ka na riff off. Yung alam mo yun, hindi yung parang ay nagbayad ako ng ganito pero ganito lang yun, parang ganun, hindi siya ganun. Mafi-feel mo talaga na worth it yung ini-spend mo sa bawat item, sa bawat accommodation, sa bawat pagkain na kinakain mo. Ang nakakabilib dito mga kalabs, yung coffee nila. $1, meron ka ng iced coffee na masarap. Sabi ko, wow, $1. Oh my God. Sa Pilipinas, pag nag-iced coffee kami, 250 pesos. Magkano yun? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like almost $5. Dito $1 lang. Saan ka pa? Diba? Ayun lang, i-share ko lang sa inyo. Mamaya punta kami ng hindi namin alam kung ngayon ba gaganapin yung bazaar doon sa may Old Town. Kasi nandito kami sa may area ng Old Town eh. So lalakarin namin siya papunta doon mamaya. Medyo malayo siya ng slight, pero okay lang kasi lalabas naman tayo mga around 6 or 7, yung hindi na masyadong masakit yung sikat ng araw. And then, tignan natin kung ngayon yung bazaar nila kasi meron silang pa-event starting today yata till March 20 or something like that. Nakita ko lang, pero hindi ko lang alam. Let's see kung ano mangyayari. Tignan natin kung meron ba talaga silang bazaar doon sa may Old Town mamaya. So, yun yung last ganap natin tonight. For now, hintay tayo ng oras. Kain tayo nito, pahinga, and then get ready and labas ulit. Lailakad ulit tayo mga kalalabs. Last night ng ating exploring dito sa sa Chiang Mai. Kasi bukas, lilipat kami. Sa Chiang Mai pa rin, pero sa kami pupunta sa ibang hotel. Pero malayo na dito sa sa bundok. In the middle of nowhere. So ngayon, i-enjoy natin yung gala natin dito sa Chiang Mai. I-check natin kung open na yung bazaar. Beb, are we going to the canal first before the bazaar?
No.
Or are we going to the night market first? Okay. So, sa bazaar muna, tignan natin kung na ba, meron na ba yung bazaar. Kasi ang alam ko meron na eh. Ang daming restaurant dito mga kalabs na affordable. Hindi kayo mauubusan ng pwedeng kainan. Then mga din mga damit-damit. O, diba? Dito sa Thailand talaga mga kalalabs, gabi sila nag-o-open. Pag gugala kayo ng umaga or mga tanghali, wala masyado. Parang, wala talaga, parang walang kabuhay-buhay pag umaga at saka tanghali. Pero pag gabi, ang daming open na restaurant at saka mga shop. Tingnan nyo itong mga kalalabs, so it's so beautiful. Wow. May mga unique na mga shop din. Restaurant. Mga mga elephant shop. Daming mga magagandang shop. Nandito na kami sa may bazaar mga kalalab. Si Papa bumili ng crocodile na Let's try. Try natin.
Your first time eating crocodile, right? Tastes like chicken.
Oh yeah. Spicy. You want something?
Oh, I said, are we not gonna walk?
Yeah, we're gonna walk through it. Wala pa sila yung talaga. Parang soft opening nila today. Nag-check lang kami ng pwede namin bilhin na pagkain. Oh, wow. Kausoy.
Rabbits in a hole, look.
What? Wow, looking good.
See free samples for you to try.
Oh, you can try, love. And then, sausage. Oh, let me know, Nicole, if you want something, okay? Tingin-tingin lang kami mga kalalabs. Which one? Oh, looks good. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Let's check. This is a soft opening, right, love? They're
Yeah,
not.
probably.
Yeah, they're not ready yet.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Wow,
mas-
that was spicy.
It is spicy. Bag.
Yo.
Ang ganda yan tingnan paggabi mga kalalabs. Oh, ito nadaanan naming temple. Wow, it's so beautiful. Gandang sobrang magical yung temple na nadaanan natin. Meron din silang nagmamassage doon. Foot massage siya. Mura lang. Sa may gilid ng temple. Anyway, hanap kami ng ibang kakainan kasi wala kami nagustuhan doon sa night market. Soft opening pa lang nila kasi kaya wala masyadong mas okay na food. Ngayon, ang plano namin is pupunta kami doon sa may isang parang canal side or something like that. Na isa pang tourist spot dito sa Chiang Mai. Pero may pupuntahan pa kami isang night market. Let's see kung anong natin makikita natin dito. Oh my God, love. hindi na naman success yung dinner namin dito sa Kaloka. Ang dami naman nilang Ang dami naman nilang mga pagkain dito pero ayaw ni Papa di. Gusto niya daw ng
Here. This one.
Bili kami ng inhaler. What's that one?
It's the purple one.
What's in there? Lavender?
Ube.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, this one's the purple one.
Yeah.
That's a nice one, yeah.
The lavender? It smells good? The lavender?
Body eggs.
Okay. Tapos na kami sa second night market. Next naman ay, hindi na namin alam. Nakabili kami ng tiger balm doon sa night market. Isa kay Nicole, dalawa sa akin. Yung isa para daw sa sa migraine. Sakit sa ulo ba? And then yung isa naman para sa mga same but different. I don't know. Yung lavender. Try natin yung lavender. And then si Nicole, does it smell good? Smell nga. Oh, that's better. That is a better one. Pupunta sana kami sa sa isang restaurant. Ang pangalan daw is Annie's. British restaurant siya. May mga fish and chips, mga ganyan. Ewan ko kay Papa Di, kanina papaiba-iba yung isip niya. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ba talaga ang gusto nito. Sinusundan na lang namin siya talaga. Saan po kami pupunta? Where are we, love?
We're at a northern Thai restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
And we show you how to eat mekam.
Maycom.
Mekam. So you got the leaf,
Yeah.
and then you got this beautiful tamarind sauce with fish paste. I like to call it bagawang, but it's a Thai version. So
Yeah.
it's sweet. Okay. Now, we get a little bit of onions, and just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a chili pepper. I love chilies so much. Just a little square of ginger.
Yeah.
Put as much as you want. A little bit of lime. Oops, that's more ginger. Then a little bit of lime.
Where's your peanuts?
Toasted coconuts.
Mm.
Like that. And then some peanuts. And then anything else?
That's it.
Oh, that's it. I'm gonna
Then,
wrap it all
kainin mo.
up. And then I'm gonna do one bite.
Yum.
Mmm.
Kakaiba siya, mga kalalabs. Actually, masarap siya. I like the flavor. Try natin to.
Try natin.
Try natin. Okay, sauce. Nagustuhan ni Nicole. Sauce with the
Ginger.
ginger
One little chili. That's all you need.
and then lime. And and then coconut, and then peanuts. Ayan. Yan lang. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga kalabs, pag pupunta ka, pag taga Pangasinan kayo, tapos magpapagamot kayo sa manggagamot.
I took the seeds out, yeah.
May ganito.
Got ginger in there?
Naalala ko si lola ko. Tapos sigarilyo, lalagyan niya dyan, di ba? Tapos kakainin
Ginger,
nila.
peanuts?
Yeah.
You got it all? Okay.
I have it all. Ayan, kain.
Different, right?
Actually, this one makes it different.
Yeah, it's very bagoong. I
Yeah.
thought it was tamarind, and then when I was eating it, I was like, this kind of tastes weird. But then I realized, like, oh, it's because of the shrimp paste.
Yeah, it's a shrimp paste with a little bit of acidity of the tamarind.
I don't think Nicole cares about the fish.
Hotel na kami, mga kalalabs. Bumili ako ng langka. Daanan ko siya. Bukas ko na lang yan, babaunin namin sa biyahe bukas. Kasi pupunta tayo ng Lalana. My gosh. Nakailang night market kaming pinuntahan. Wala tayong masyadong nabili. Kundi yun lang. Pagkain, nag-dinner lang. Tapos, si Nicole bumili siya ng roti. Siya lang naman ang mahilig dun. Mayroon kami nadaanan na parang pinipritong, hindi, ginigrilled na tinapay ba yun? Diba sa Pilipinas meron tayong ice cream, tapos nilalagay sa tinapay. Dito meron silang nakita namin, kakain sana kami dun after nung dinner namin. Kasi ang sabi ko, busog na ako, parang wala na akong paglalagyan ng pagkain sa tiyan. And alam nyo ba, hindi ko lang alam kung yung mga night market ngayon dito sa sa Chiang Mai, hindi siya kasing long time. How long we've been here twice, or this is our third time, right, love? Third
Yeah.
time. First is me and you, and then with Nicole, right? The second time with Nicole, and then this is the third time with Nicole. So yung first time namin na pumunta dito, I think ilang years na yun? 13 years ago or something like that. Parang nag-iba talaga siya. Yung parang nag-iba yung parang feels ng lugar. Alam mo yun? Yung parang sa night market, ganyan. Dati kasi maraming mga different kind of like parang food talaga Yung parang magigil. Yung parang hindi ka titigil. Yung parang kain ka lang ng kain kasi ang daming masasarap kang nakikitang pagkain. This time wala. Parang nag-iba. Nag-iba yung niya, yung parang night market vibes. Tapos parang walang masyadong tourist kasi nga dun sa yung nangyayari ngayon sa Middle East. So yung mga taga-Europe na na nagta-travel punta dito sa Thailand, hindi sila makapunta. Ang dami kasing cancel na flight. And then kasi ang layover ng mga, is that right, love? The layover that people from Europe is Dubai, right?
Usually Dubai, Qatar.
Yeah, Qatar, yan. Middle East, ganyan. Pero ngayon kasi, hindi sila makaano doon. Meron sigurong direct flight, pero mahal. Or something like that, very expensive. That's why they, from Europe, kung saan ka mang Europe galing, tapos layover Dubai, or Qatar, or something like that, and then Thailand. And then, meron kami mga nakilala dito sa Thailand na mga tourists na na-stuck sila dito. Hindi sila makauwi ng lugar nila kasi nga walang flight, wala silang makuhang flight na yung parang from layover, yung layover nila is Middle East, something like that. Siguro merong pero mahal. So nakakasad lang. Parang yung mga business dito parang walang kabuhay-buhay. Wala silang masyadong customer ganyan. Wala, parang nag-iba yung talaga. Wala, na-share ko lang sa inyo kasi iba yung pakiramdam kasi na ilang beses na nga kami nakapunta dito Parang ngayon, parang hindi na siya yung ganun sa dati. Tingnan natin kung anong nag-iba sa Bangkok kasi sabi din daw nila na makikita mo din daw talaga na walang masyadong tourist sa Bangkok din. All over Thailand siguro. Nakakasad mga kalalabs. But anyway, tayo po ay magsha-shower. Magsha-shower ako. And then, aayusin ko yung mga ibang mga gamit dito sa luggage para bukas is hindi na masyadong hindi na ako masyadong mag-isip ba. Yung tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Parang naka-on na naman yung dito sa yung tubig dyan sa swimming pool. Yan. Yay! Okay. Sarap. Yan. And then, ayusin natin yung mga gamit-gamit. Tabi-tabi dyan. Go! Okay, mag-e-end na rin ako ng vlog mga kalalabs. Yan na po yung vlog natin dito sa Chiang Mai. Tomorrow will be the different area naman tayo. One night lang kami doon sa villa na nakita namin. Lalana yung pangalan na bubble. Lalana yung pangalan ng villa na nakita namin. So 1 hour and a half drive siya. Nag-rent kami ng car papunta doon. Pwede ka siguro mag-bus papunta doon, pero nag-rent kami ng car papunta doon. And then after that, after doon sa villa na yon, pupunta naman tayo sa Chiang Rai. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai. O, di ba? Shanghai, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai. Magkakatunog. And then after that, Bangkok na. And then, uwi na ng Canada. Oh, okay. Thank you all for watching mga kalalabs, no? Sana po ina-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog mga kalalabs. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!